The second kinesio taping I'll demonstrate is of the knee. I'll show you two taping techniques using kinesio tape of the knee. The first will be a medial glide, which I already showed you using the sports tape, and then a knee supportive taping, which can be used for many injuries of the knee. For the medial glide, I have cut a 7 to 8 centimetre piece of kinesio tape, like so, and have already rounded the edges. From here, again, get your patient with their knees slightly bent, supported with a towel. Starting from the outside of the knee, place the first bit of the tape down. Pull across, providing some stretch to the tape, pulling the kneecap as you go, and then firmly placing down on the inside. The second part to this technique is the knee supportive taping. I have cut a 10 to 15 centimetre strip with approximately 75% of it cut in half. Again, the edges are rounded. The tape will sit above the knee, and then both strips will run either side of the kneecap and supporting it, hugging the kneecap. Place the first part of the tape down nice and firmly like so. One part of the tape on stretch, come around the kneecap, under it, and back up the other side like so. Do the same in the opposite direction with the other piece. That piece of tape supports the kneecap and also hugs it, making sure it tracks in the right direction. From here, our last piece of tape, this will be a 7 centimetre piece of tape with the edges rounded. This piece of tape will come under the knee, giving it what we call an infra lift, or some support under the knee, to stop the kneecap rubbing on structures under or below the knee. This piece of tape you hold like so and apply a stretch from the middle. Under the kneecap, coming up and lifting the kneecap up, again making sure there is no stretch on the last part of the tape. And that's the knee taping techniques completed.